everyone, and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're testing the dark colored UV resin kit from Let's Resin. This kit comes with 18 colors. Here are the 18 bottles, and as you can see, there are different shades of each color. So we have different blues, different greens, different purples, different oranges, and different reds. These bottles contain 20 grams of resin each. For the UV lamp today, I'm going to be using my Let's Resin double-sided UV lamp. So this is top and bottom, and there is a plate in the middle. I also have a clear piece of plastic here for resin. Let's go ahead and put down a drop for each of these. Here's the white, pink, red, yellow, orange, light orange, olive green, green, royal blue, dark cyan, blue, dark blue, orchid, light purple, purple, brown, dark brown, and black. Okay, let's go ahead and cure it. All right, and here are the colors. Oh my goodness, look how pretty they are. And the colors are very saturated too. So we're going to add a glue dot to each of these.